Good morning. It's a wintry day in Fishhook, and we are going for probably one of my favorite downwind routes in the world, called a Kommetjie to Platboom, which is on the Atlantic side, which offers a bit more exposure to the open ocean than False Bay does, so we get a bit more swell there. And there's a big crew of guys going, which is quite cool. Normally I do these on my own, but today we've got a big crew of guys together, which will make it super fun. So you're going to link up with the crew now and then get going. Should be a great day. Looking pretty stormy, already some wintry weather, although it's only March. So if it carries on like this, we're going to have a solid winter of downwinds. Just linked up with my brother, and we're going to go pick up my mom, who's going to drive for us. Looking fantastic here, Kommetjie. We've got a full crew, as you can see. All the legends. This is going to be a pumping downwind, and they always start as sort of training paddles, but then they finish quite fast as we come into the beach, so it'll probably be quite hard as well.
Let's go! How's it ride? Lekker. Dale, take a picture there. Okay. Behind you.
They've got a little safety briefing going on. For one of these guys, it's their first time paddling from Kommetjie to Platboom, so let's check this out.
Just an awesome downwind all the way to about 23 k's outside. You basically go around the corner, and then
Yoo-hoo! Beautiful runs on this Kommetjie to Platboom. Probably one of the nicest days I've had out here. Lots of guys in the water. Warm water actually for the Atlantic side. Special day. Nice and stormy, just the way we like it. Just putting these bumps together. It's hard work, linking the little one to the big ones. Here we go. Bad rewarding. Hey, my brother back there. Woo! All the way. Another 19 k's to go, like this. Who can say no to that? Yeah, look at this. All guys out there. Here we go. Nice work. Okay, so on the phone here because the SD card is full on the GoPro, but that was a super successful mission. Everybody's boats are tied on and everybody's heading off. But amazing paddle from Kommetjie to Platboom. Big runs, big wind, and nice crew to do it with. It always makes it great. There's some guys coming in before we walk up the beach. It's often the hardest part of this paddle. But what a beautiful setting, and what a great way to start the weekend.